Well, 1st of April, April Fool's Day. Up the Kaimanawas. See what we can slay. There are a few roars now, nothing answering, but there might be something a bit further up. So you can go on the board with the bow.
Don't video yet, and click.
Got him.
Forward. Flying left? Yeah, which if it is, it's just that rest. Reuben.
Just stocking up the chili bin for this evening. And the necessities fit in there quite nicely.
Good Coleman chili bin for hunting and fishing.
Absolutely. Plug that. The bacon for brisket. And back into the hills in the morning. Listen to the chorus this evening. Couple of seeker scrapes. Got a seeker gun on the left and a stag gun, a red stag on the right. He's coming around. Yeah. Head up a bit higher. Head up to the side right. Is that no more? See what? The stag was coming in beautifully. Ian could see the tips of his antlers coming in straight ahead. Then he just veered out to the left and he pokes his head round the corner of that white tree behind Ian. You can just see him sneak around about the 6 minute 14 mark. Back at the truck.
Licking the wounds. Licking some serious wounds.
Chase isn't a fan of our native wasps anymore.
Not particularly. I've seen a side of them I'm not really impressed about.
Oh well. Good day hunt. See what tomorrow brings.